In this video, I'm going to be talking about how this one new feature in iOS 17 can help you take better video, specifically everywhere, but also underwater. Now, I use this to take better video of sharks, of different fish. I have a lot of fun taking underwater video, but also it's really difficult. So this new setting will give you more power to control your iPhone even when you can't touch the screen. So pay attention, you're going to want to watch this video all the way to the end to learn how to take advantage of this for all sorts of different uses, including driving and doing things on your phone, which don't do, but if you do, use a condom. No. Use voice command. Open camera. Show names. Swipe left. Swipe right. Swipe right. I'm on Tinder. Tap action mode. Tap action mode. Zoom in. Zoom in. Press record video. Press stop record video. Press stop record video. So as you can see, this really makes a difference with what you used to be able to do on your phone without touching it and what you can do now. Now, using Siri in the past, you could open an app and not much more. Now you can actually enter into text fields and input dictated text, as well as sending commands to press buttons on the screen, and this is so cool, so cool. It's not always super efficient, and learning how to use the names versus the show numbers function, so show names instead of show numbers, is going to be a huge help so that you can do this without even looking at your phone if you need to. Now I have mine set to play sounds, and I'll show you how to set it up the way I have mine set up. Keep watching, and let's jump right over. Okay, so we're going to jump into settings, go to accessibility, and right here on the front page, partway down, you see voice control. You click here, we're going to turn this on. I have show confirmation, play sound, show hints. These are important. Overlay, I have set to none. If we set to item names, this can be really helpful. Now we're going to go ahead and do this so you can see what's going on here. Now, the main things, without going into the voice control guide, which I recommend you do, is you start by saying, start listening. Okay, now you can see up here by the clock in the top left corner, it says 113, and there's a blue microphone icon. You see that these names are showing and hiding, which is really annoying. So let's turn that off. Overlay, none. Okay, let's go back to the main screen. Show names. Show numbers. 25. Take picture. Tap take picture. Swipe left. Swipe right. So here you can see all the different names of the different items on the screen. Now we can say show numbers. Show numbers. Hide numbers. Show grid. 26. Tap 3. Show grid. 26. Tap 5. Go home. And that's the basics of what we need to be able to do. Go through the tutorial. This is how this one iOS 17 feature helps me when I'm in the water and my phone is completely covered in a case and I can't touch the screen. Open messages. Tap Alex. Show numbers. 13. Thank you, I'm looking forward to it. Tap 12. Go home. Stop listening. I hope this helps you out, helps you use your phone better in more places and with more functionality in ways that you could never do before. If you like content like this, if you want to learn how to be more productive in more places, then hit subscribe and click the notification bell right now. Until next time, stay creative and have a wonderful day.